Hi guys, it's Kat. Like Matt, I'm Kat. I am sitting in a parking lot in the rain, and it was 31 degrees here in Texas. I'm near Houston in a town called Katy, which is pretty big for itself. I hate it here in Texas. I hate it, especially this area. In Corpus Christi, it was so bad. But anyway, if it was 31 degrees, why isn't it snowing versus raining? And why does it go from the 30s to almost 90 in a day? Less than a day. I was just sweating my ass off, and now I'm freezing. But anyway, I'm sitting in this parking lot of the Houston Methodist Continuing Care Hospital. And I am the only one in this whole parking lot. And it's a huge parking lot.